Greetings from Microsoft Management Summit 2012. My name is Jason Buffington, Senior Analyst at the Enterprise Strategy Group. Today we're visiting with Mike Shutz from Microsoft and Scott Shaffer from HP, and we're here to talk about private cloud. So Mike, let's get into more of the specifics. Can you tell me more about what's in the Private Cloud Fast Track?
Sure. Microsoft Private Cloud Fast Track is a program that brings reference architectures that delivers Microsoft software with our partners' hardware, servers, storage, and networking to help customers reduce the time and risk related to deploying private cloud so that really they can take care of all the benefits that private cloud brings.
So Mike, let's get into more of the specifics. Can you tell me more about Private Cloud Fast Track?
Sure. Microsoft Private Cloud Fast Track is a program that brings together Microsoft software with our partners' hardware solutions around networking, storage, and servers, together with best practices and guidance that we've learned and gathered from our customers and our partners deploying virtualization in private cloud in real-world environments.
So what are the benefits that customers are going to realize out of that?
Well, by deploying Fast Track validated designs, customers can speed the deployment of private cloud because they don't have to cobble together the various pieces that make up their infrastructure.
Sure.
They're already got a blueprint for how to do it from our partners. Second, it really provides the confidence in deploying private cloud because they've been pre-validated with our customers and in our labs. And all that really means is that they can deliver the SLAs to their business much more rapidly and more predictably.
So that totally makes sense to me. So what was the impetus behind that new architecture?
Well, we've been helping customers virtualize and get on the path to cloud computing for some time now. A lot of customers see the value of cloud computing, but they're a little nervous about exactly where to get started, and they're worried that it might be complex. And so the reason we did Fast Track is to take pre-validated designs, learning from our experiences with our customers, and bring those to more customers so they can really feel confident that the hardware and software that they're buying all works together. And so we're really excited to work with our partners to bring some of these flexible configurations to market.
Sure, so that way they take your standardized architecture and yet the partners can still offer their own differentiated value to bring a better together solution to the customer.
That's right. One of the core promises of Fast Track is we want it to be flexible. There's no one size fits all for every customer. And so by allowing customers some level of flexibility for which partners and which solutions they provide, all understanding that they're really leveraging the best practices that Microsoft and our customers that have gone before them have leveraged.
So ESG's actually been covering the Microsoft virtualization strategy and the Fast Track program for quite a while now, but we're here at MMS 2012. You guys have got some announcements this week. What's new this week?
Well, at MMS this year, the real story is System Center 2012 and making the private cloud real. And so what we announced here at MMS is that the Fast Track program now has reference architectures that include System Center 2012 so our customers can take advantage of it.
So if Fast Track is Microsoft's way of creating a consistent IT architecture, and yet still gives its partners a chance to add differentiating hardware and management capabilities in order to provide a whole solution. Scott, tell us more about that.
HP has really jumped into Fast Track primarily because customers are generally risk avoidance whenever possible. And setting up these big complicated systems with a lot of parts has been a barrier to entry for a lot of folks over the years. And so what we said was, let's introduce HP Virtual System for Microsoft that is Fast Track compliant, and it brings together all the expertise that we've worked with Microsoft over the last 10 years on building enterprise class solutions. Now, a lot of customers have told me that they want to build these complete solutions in their environment, but they would have to go through a step of architecting it, designing it, testing it, getting it all 100% quality for their environment. And they just prefer HP and Microsoft to work together and deliver that for them. So that's what we've done with Virtual System. It's a complete solution, engineered, optimized, built for Microsoft Private Cloud, 100% ready to go.
Okay, so that sounds really cool. So what components are actually part of the HP Virtual System?
HP has taken the right server, networking, and storage components and put them all together in a complete solution optimized for different parts of the market. So there's a low-end solution, mid-range, and high-end enterprise solutions that cover all aspects of it, but come from HP, from the factory, software installed, optimized, configured, ready to go for the exact workload that you have.
Okay, so that sounds awesome, but there's a lot of pieces and parts in that. So how do you manage it?
Great question. We include the Inside Control Suite with HP Virtual System, fully integrated into System Center that gives you that complete view of your server, network, and storage components.
So Scott, what did you think about the ESG testing of the virtual system?
Jason, thanks for doing the work and demonstrating what I think we've been aware of for a while, which is that our joint effort with Microsoft has delivered a solution which is very easy to deploy and get up and going, extremely easy to manage and own and operate, and with fantastic performance numbers that demonstrate that HP Virtual System for Microsoft is the best platform for Microsoft Private Cloud.
So Mike, what did you think about the ESG testing of Fast Track?
Well, we weren't really surprised by the results because we expected to see the really high performance numbers that we saw.
Yep.
But really what customers should take away is that no workload is off limits for Hyper-V. They should feel confident in using Hyper-V for any application or workload regardless of the performance requirements it has. The other thing customers should take away is that a key attribute of performance is reliability.
Yep.
You have to keep that application up and running. And with System Center 2012, you really get a more fine-grained insight into the applications than with any other solution. And so with performance and reliability, you really can't beat what we're delivering.
It really was a fun project and a chance to work on the Fast Track architecture as well as the virtual system. Mike, any last thoughts from you?
Well, we were just very excited to participate in the project and are really excited for customers who can take the collaboration and the engineering work that we've done with HP to bring virtual system to market.
Sounds good. Scott, from your side?
I think it's the same thing. I mean, it's been really great to work together with the three companies and engineer a solution that is completely holistic for our customers to deliver some high value.
All right, so with that, our thanks to Microsoft and to HP. I'm Jason Buffington from the Enterprise Strategy Group, signing out.